Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. Today I have come with a chapter that is opposite words, and we see here the serial number chapter is what 15. So before I get into the chapter, let me write the serial number of the chapter and the name. We see here serial number of the chapter is 15. 15. All right. So we see opposite words. Okay. I must tell you one thing that this chapter is very much interesting as compared to the other chapters. As of now, whatever I have discussed, whatever chapters I have discussed, this chapter you will find very much interesting. All right. Opposite words. Opposite words. All right. So as I said already, this chapter is completely different from the rest. What is the difference? Difference is what? Difference is in this chapter you have to memorize. Most of the things you have to memorize. But one thing let me clear what opposite means. We know that someone or something that is completely different from someone or something else. Okay. So we find quite different things you will find. Okay, so we know that the opposite means what? Someone or something that is completely different from someone or something else. Okay, so in this chapter we shall get to learn most of the things you have to learn, most of the words you have to learn. There is nothing to understand. All right. So you have to learn some words. So for example, let me write instruction will be given in this way. Make the opposite words of the following. Make the opposite words of the following. This is how instruction will be given to you in the question paper or in the class. Your duty is to what? To write the opposite words. So first, for example, if I write calm, what would be the opposite word? Now you tell me. What would be the opposite word of the word come? I would say what? Very simple thing. Come, go. Totally opposites. Somebody is coming. Okay, let me write come, go. For example, how can I say that it is completely different or the opposite For example, I am telling you, he is coming. Now what will be the opposite of that? Now if I somebody is telling me, somebody wants me to write the opposite of that sentence. All right. So I would say what? I must tell you that he is going. Okay. He is coming. The opposite word of that sentence would be what? He is going. Quite different. Totally opposite. Alright. So this is how we shall use them. Now moving on to the next. We see good. What would be the opposite word? Bad. What? Bad. Good. Bad. Alright. Okay. Let me write some more words. High, low. Okay. High, low. Then up, down. As I said, we have to write the opposite words. Up, down. Then what? Let me rub. Then what? Day, night. Day, night. Then what? New, old. Then we say that sad, happy, Then what? I can write hot, H-O-T, hot, cold. Then I can write what? Full, pull, push. All right. So these are the words. These are the words you will get. Though you will get very soon. All this, as I have given the notes already, but very soon you will get. You can collect the notes from the office. Afterwards, you will get to see the words what I have given in the notes. So here, as you are in class 2, according to your level, some words I have given. These you are to what? Memorize. These you are to memorize. Okay. Now, if I shall make a box, and in the box some words will be given. So using the word, you have to fill in the blank. You have to fill in the blank. So let me write it first. Let me write it. So let me write instruction, which I am not going to write the instruction. So see, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. A box will be given. Here is the box. Bad, bad, near, than, more than, high, H-I-G-H, high. All right. Let's write the question number 1. In the question number, we see that leave all your dash habits. Okay, it would be good for you or even for me as well if I write one question. Okay, in question number 1, we see that here all these words I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 words I have written in the box. So using the box, using all the words, you have to fill in the blank. So in the question number 1, we see that leave all your dash habits. We have to from the box we have to choose a proper word, the correct word for this question. Here we see that the first one. Let me take from there. Select from there. So if I select, as I said, if I select the word high, then would it be okay for this question number 1? Okay, let me see. For instance, you see that leave all your high habit. Okay, leave all your high habits. All right. So now try to recall the things I have explained. Try to recall the things. For example, I have used high. For example, you just think that I have used the word high. Okay, but as I said, try to recall the thing I have explained in the half yearly examination. Half yearly syllabus, I explained something that that a sentence is a group of words arranged in a proper that gives proper sense. But okay, it would be not enough. If you see there are a group of words, but you have to make sure that all the words have written proper order, in proper way. Then only we will be able to get proper sense. Okay, now for example, you see that leave all your high habits. We cannot get any sense. That is the reason why we cannot use the word high. Okay. Now if I use the word bad, so let me see, would it be okay? Would it be okay if I use the word high? Okay. Leave all your dash habits, bad habits. Now I can say what? This is completely all right. Leave all your bad habits. Okay. No problem here. So moving on to the question number 2. This one is finished. Number 2, we see that she lives dash our house. All right. So now here we see the question number 2. She lives dash our house. So as we have said, we have informed in the instruction I've been given in this way that we have to fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. On your own, you cannot write anything. We have to use what? We have to use the words given in the box. Alright? So we cannot go beyond that, beyond the rule. We cannot go beyond the rule. We have to follow the rule. So she lives dash our house. As I have used the word what? Bed. So I don't need to go and check the word bed once again. So this is finished already. So I don't need to go there. Okay. Now 3 words remain. Then we see the 3 words. So now using these words, we have to fill in the blank. So she lives. If I write more, she lives more our house. No sense, proper sense. We cannot get any sense using the word more. So for example, if I use the word high, would it be okay? Let me check once. She lives just our house. She lives high our house. Therefore we cannot get any sense. At last, if I use the word near. So let me check. Would it be okay? Would it be okay? She lives near our house. Yes, exactly. It's right. I can use the word near. She lives near our house. She lives near our house. We get the proper sense here. We get the proper sense here. If I use the word near. All right. So this is how we shall select the word. So number 2 is over. Now moving on to the question number 3, we see what. Please give me some dash water. Please give me some dash water. Please give me some dash water. Here we have only 2 words in the box. As we have used the words, these 2 words I have used only. So I don't need to go. I don't need to go and choose try using the words. Okay. So I shall use both these words. I shall try. Okay. Now let me take the word high. Okay. Using the word high, we have to see whether it will be okay or not. Please give me some high water. We cannot get any sense. So this one is also cancelled. So the last one is even more. Definitely it will be correct for this question. Please give me some more water. Yes, exactly. It's correct. Some more water. Please give me some more water. Often we ask, whenever we feel thirsty, please give me some water. I'm feeling thirsty. All right, this is how we ask. Now the last question we see that the last one is what? Very simple. As I have used, I have in the box. I have 4 words in the box. So leaving the word more, we have used the rest 3 words. So definitely the last one is going to we are going to use for the question number 4. The last one is what? Arun's kite. Arun's kite goes. Arun's kite goes dash in the sky. Dash in the sky. Arun's kite goes dash in the sky. So definitely we shall go and use the word high. But still we will see whether it is correct or not. Arun's kite goes high in the sky. Yet, yes, we can say that it is correct. Okay. So this is all about the chapter is. Now I want every one of you to watch my video again and again. Afterwards, if you find any kind of problem, if you feel any kind of difficulties, please let me know. You can call me at night between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I shall be there for you, and definitely I shall resolve your problem. Till then, study well and take care of yourself. Thank you everyone.